hope we're all having a wonderful afternoon. It's been a bit of a long day. So, we were going to be continuing with a bit of Zelda. Let's get a bit of fuel on the fire, shall we? There we go. A bit more fuel on the fire. Sorry, I'm moving some of your freshly cut up logs. I hope you don't mind. It's a chance for you to keep stretching on those biceps anyway. But yeah, just a little bit low in energy today and didn't want to like try and commit to a game that I couldn't give due attention to really. I didn't want to like put on a bit of a naff show for you guys, so I thought, nah, bit of a chill stream. We'll do another coding stream. We'll keep working on Lakea a little bit. She's slowly coming along, which is quite nice. Working on a few key things that'll let us bring more in soon. Let's see, I could use some hard labour after some hard labour. No rest for the wicked, eh? No rest for the wicked. How you doing anyway, buddy? Hope you're keeping well. Let's see, so we got a bit of music going. Let's change on over to C. And we can start taking a look. So, had a rough start to the week. Oh, music's loud. Give me a sec. Let's turn that down. Okay, well it's changing songs now anyway, but I've turned it down a little bit. Let me know if it's still a bit on the loud side, and I'll turn it back up, or turn it down, blah blah blah. Whatever. This is what I meant by not having much energy. Yeah, just let me know what it's like now. It's fine now? Awesome. If anything like that does seem a little off, just let me know, and we can tweak it. Okay. So we have managed to do a little bit more since last time I streamed this. I've archived a load of done tickets. We've got a few more things done. We're actually running a fresh build of Lakea in our streams, although we did seem to be having some funkiness from her yesterday, which was interesting. So might have to investigate that. We'll see. It may have just been a once-off. Like you can see here, she's connected to PubSub servers like 3 times. I think 4 times. Wait, no, that's connecting. Okay. I don't know. I'm not convinced it's not stuff on Twitch's end. Their APIs suck. But still, we'll see. Other people seem to get them working, so I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out. But yeah, currently we're just working on some like Twitch arguments and that. Still a bit too loud? Okay, just give me a moment. Properties. Not that one. Filters. Let's see. Where are we going? That's what I want. It's already on like 10%. There we go. That's on 5%. That any better for you, Het? If it's still a bit loud, let me know. Oh, go away, window. There we go. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, let me know if it gets a little loud or a little quiet again. I've not, outside our last coding stream, I've not had music going in a while, so I've not really had a chance to balance our audio a little bit for that. So maybe something for me to look into later on. Don't worry about it, Het. I can certainly relate to that. I had a fun time myself, so I honestly do not envy you. I hope things pick up for you a little bit though, buddy. So yeah, what we're trying to do right now is implement these arguments. So what these mean is currently when we put in a message and we say like hi, Lakea can say hi back, but she can't say like hi Het or hi Materies because she doesn't know how to get our names from the message. So that's what we're trying to implement, so that she can like put in people's names and like accept arguments and such. Oh, I forgot. Boot me's not going to be running. Hang on. I'm going to have to manually do that. Hang on. There we go. Because I haven't got Lakea running in the background. There you go, Het. You're getting an extended boop. Okay, my snoot is starting to get a little bit overbooped now. Okay. Go away. Stop booping. Stop booping. There we go. There we go. Right, tell you, while I'm talking, I'll run main Lakea in the background. And then when we actually start developing, I'll turn main Lakea off. Really, I need to put in a command to disable her, actually, temporarily stop her. That's probably a ticket I should add. I'll think on that later on, because it might actually be related to some of our other stuff. Ask the Forest Ranger do computer stuff. I did wonder if it's actually like worth me doing these kinds of streams, because I usually prefer to keep like my woodland kind of ranger type stuff separate, but I do work in software development for a day job. I do enjoy tech and that, and I figured, seeing as though there's people in the community who enjoyed this kind of content, it could be some good chill streams. And it, as I said in the Discord, it gives you guys a chance to like put in your own ideas and stuff like that, and pitch things forward. It also means you can raise your own tickets and that on GitHub. So Jeevious has already produced one, which is actually a pretty good idea. So that's in pre-arch for now, but later on I'll move it into to do. I just need to figure out some acceptance criteria for it. Let's see. So good luck. I'll leave you on the background. I'll enjoy myself with some old school stuff. No worries, Head. Thank you very much for dropping by, and thank you for the lurk. You can use the lurk command now that Lakea is active, although I'll be turning her off in a minute so that we can bring up the dev instance of her. So, thank you very much for the lurk, Head. Do take care of yourself. But I'm just going to temporarily hide that for a moment so I can see if this is important. Okay, no, that is not important, so that can wait for now. Move that and re-enable this. Okay, so sorry, Lakea, I'm telling you to go rest up for a moment, and we're going to bring up, well, Lakea. Right, let's see. So I don't remember what I wanted to use. Hey there, that's what we're looking for. Okay, pass arguments. So what this function's meant to be doing is it's meant to be taking this part of our stored message, and it's meant to be replacing it with the name of the person who has called the command. However, it's not working. Lakea's throwing a hissy fit when we try it, so if I put in hey... Oh fuck, I forgot. Oh fuck, I forgot. Woodland Lakea also has that, doesn't she? I can't even disable that because that's a full build. Bollocks! Damn it! Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I can't disable... Oh well, we'll just have to deal with that. We're just going to have to deal with that. I could actually use something other than a command. Now we keep using the commands for now. It's a little bit easier. Right. Continue on. And we'll see we're getting an error. No larger than the length of the string. Okay. Give me no, that's our full build. I want our dev build. Where are we going? Visual Studio, bin, debug, logs. Lovely, lovely logs. Let's see. Info connected. Start index cannot be. Okay, so we're going to have to step through this, but it's definitely that function that is not playing ball. So back in here, throw a breakpoint in, run that. Vehicle Lakea, you're just going to have to like stop. Oh, bollocks. Oh, I can't even turn off my hotkeys while I'm live. Fuck. Okay, hang on. That I'm gonna have to copy and paste. That's what I'm gonna have to do. I knew I was forgetting something before I went live. Right, continue. Alright, let's see. So what have we got down here? So here's our value. So the way Lakea works is she'll take in an event, which is what this is. In this case, this event is a Twitch command event. And then we have our stored events, which is basically what we're putting in our config file. And our stored events store what we want Lakea to do when she receives a certain kind of event. So in this case, the event we're firing should have a right to chat, and she should put in the name of the person who called the command. But she's not liking it. Ah, mouthful of water. Wow. That water doesn't taste right. Hang on. Weird. Okay, well, it'll do. It'll do for now. Right, let's see. So we're here. So what we're wanting to do is we're figuring out where this character is, and then we're figuring out where this character is. Because when we figure out where those two characters are, we can then get this whole string here. We can then replace that string with the name of the person who's called the command. So if we go back into pass arguments, these here, these are the arguments that we get from Twitch, from the command it's called. So chat message, we can see it's hey. Identifier, well that's the exclamation mark, the message. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. So we get a few things. We can also see if the person is a subscriber, which is amusing because it seems to think I'm a subscriber to my own channel. Not entirely sure how that works, but there we go. And then this is the message that we're trying to send back into the chat. Oh, I think I'm calling the wrong... Is it hey I want to be calling first? Because that's got two arguments. I only want to test it with one for now. Oh, I want to run hi. Okay. Okay. Because you might have one argument in a command, or you might have multiple commands, multiple arguments. And it needs to work for multiple, but for now, I just want to test that it's working. Fuck! I changed scene. I wish I'd disabled those shortcuts. Right, there we go. Continue. So, yeah, there we go. We've got the right one now. Display name. So we want display name to be changed with my name, Materials Coil. So let's start stepping into this, shall we? And seeing what we get. So start index. Yeah, 10. That makes sense. Is it 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, yes, because we start at 0. There we go, so that'll be, yep, 22, that makes sense. So now length should be the length of that string. Yep, so we're getting that. So now we should be getting template, which should only be display name with the 2 curly brackets. Interesting, why are we... Why are we not getting... That'll be why that might be throwing errors. Cannot be larger than length of string. Okay, let's turn that off. So it's not liking the fact we can get rid of this breakpoint for the moment. It's not liking the fact that we're not getting this back properly. Out of curiosity, I don't think, like, from what I can think of, this shouldn't be returning what we want, but it might return what we want. Hi, I've changed scene again. I've changed scene again. Now, I'll tell you, if I go on Materials Pop, can I? No, it doesn't have display capture. It keeps showing Tim's thing. Never mind. Okay, hi. Let's see what this gives us. Fake Lakea, go away. So I'll start stepping into these. So now we'll expect template to be... Huh. Hang on, am I miscalculating length? End index, take away start index. Unless that's... Hang on, does substring include... Okay, maybe I misunderstand how a substring works. I might be thinking of substring in Python. I'm getting confused between my languages here. Either way, that seems to be returning what we want. And that still... First, that cannot be large enough length of string. Why? Hang on. Okay. So I don't know why that's throwing errors. Let's grab the error again, and then we can do some Googling, because I'm not sure what's happening exactly when this is happening. I keep changing scene. Continue. Throw the error. Yep, there we go. I didn't want to do that. Oops. Oops. Let's rerun that command. You gonna pick that up, Lakea? Lakea, you gonna... Oh, I didn't put the fucking... That's why. Oops. There we go. Right, let's see. So, there we go. So we know where it's happening. Start index cannot be larger than length of string. Let's bring up another Chrome. C#. See what we get. Is it possible I'm missing something? Yep, start index and length. After the 36. You just want to get the 25th character from the end of the string. Hang on. Okay, yeah, I think I'm passing the wrong arguments into substring. Hang on. Right. Turn off for a moment. Let's see, what arguments? Start index and length. That's what we're giving you. Oh wait, that's starting... Oh! Does this not accept characters? Okay, well that's a pain. Let's see. Key dot length, and then -1, I think. Oops. Now no, let's think about this. Which one is it going to be calling first? It's going to be calling this end one first. Let's do this one first. So key dot length. Let's go get the length. So if it's 5, we're gonna want to do -1 because our index starts at 0. Because yay, programming. Oh wait, keys not null. We want template. Oops. There we go. Right, let's see if that gives us what we need. I would have rather been able to specify the character, but I guess that is not possible. Why am I bringing that up? That's not what I want. Let's see. Oh shit! No, that's the error. That's not what I want to put in chat. Give me that identifier. There we go. Let's see. So this should, I believe, give us what we want. Aha! Okay, so now template. Yeah, template's that. Key is empty. Why is key empty? That's not what we want. That's a bit of a problem. That's a bit of a problem. Why are you empty there, buddy? Why are you empty? Oh, okay. I think I know why it's empty. Start index. Hang on. So, So if I do that, let's see. You know, this would be a lot easier if I just Googled C# substring. But nope. I like to make my life difficult. Right, here we go. Right. Key. Still empty? Okay, never mind. I'm just going to Google C# substring. Because I'm clearly... Right, no, not C substring. I want C# string dot remove. Because clearly I am not getting start index count. I think that's what I'm missing there. I think that's what I'm missing. Restart. Paste. Hi. Let's go. Right, let's step over these. Come on, key. Hey! We got there in the end. Right, so we want this because this is our key for getting the info we want out of the dictionary. So, value.replace template arg. So now, if we run over this line, value, wherever it is, here we go, should replace display name with our new argument. So, hey, it's got my name. Good, good, good. Now do that. Oh, you stupid fool. I haven't assigned it to value. Oops. Helps if I assign it to value now, doesn't I? Right, hang on. That means we might have 3. Do that. Copy and paste. Say hi. Hey! Ooh, it's even tagged us. Nice. Didn't expect her to do that. Why do you have to be messaging? Why? Why? Stop messaging. Little bugger. Little bugger. I can't even like disable it because it's the same fucking account because this is a full build. Oh, I wish I'd thought about that when I built that. Okay. Okay. Either way, that's working now. So, let's see. What happens if we put in an argument? Hey, Nate, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Ooh, that's not going to be working at the moment because I've got... we're actually testing Lakea right now, so most our redeems are not going to be working. I will, however, give you a wolf howl. There's something really ominous about the fact that that howl came through on a black screen. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man. I hope you're doing well. I like the emote you've got there. It looks good, man. Right, what was I doing? Ah, yes, we need to test this command. Yeah, unfortunately, we're running our development version of Lakea at the moment, Nate. So she'll detect your commands and your redeems, but she doesn't actually know what to do with them because she hasn't got the right config file. In fact, you know what? Hang on. We can actually fix that, to be fair. No, don't stop. Stop. If I do that, and then I'm going to actually hide this for a moment so that I can rename this to that. What I'll do is I'll grab my config file from our stream version of Lakea, and then wait, no, that's the wrong version. And then we'll put that in our dev version of Lakea, And then you guys will be able to still do... Right, so I copy that. And now where am I going? Yes, Visual Studio, look at Stream Assistant, and then copy that in there. Okay, so now if I re-enable this and we run Lakea, I'm doing good, thanks. That's what we like to hear, buddy. That's what we like to hear. Oh, she's not liking that. Why does she not like that? Oh, because it hasn't rebuilt. Hang on. Rebuilder. Right, there we go. Now she should load it. Oh, wait, no, what? What do you mean could not find? Well, I've just told you to rebuild. Shit, the file's right there, you little shit. What do you mean you can't? The file's literally right. Oh, fuck's sake. Because it's a different file. Oh yeah, I don't want to be sending that either. Okay, do not let me upload that to GitHub because that'll end badly. Right, so copy to output always. There we go. Now if we rebuild, it's because it wasn't move our config file along, so she was like, where's my list of instructions? I need my list of instructions. Unfortunately, Lakea, as brilliant and as smart as she is, she sometimes derps out if she hasn't got a list of instructions. There we go. So if we redeem Wolf Howl now, hey, it means we can keep this stuff going even the development build. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Now I'm just going to move this over for a moment because I'm going to have to open that config file, and I want to make sure it opens without without displaying certain things. There we go. I don't want to accidentally give away my off key. That would be kind of bad. But yeah, you guys actually get to see a bit in the background now. This is the actual file that I use for configuring Lakea for our streams. You can see it's like over 700 lines long. It's only going to get longer. Wait, what? When did I add those? Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. No, that makes sense. I'm nulling those events. Yeah, that's necessary. That's necessary. Let's see. Bring that in. So we'll just call this test command. Still Twitch command. We'll go, hey. Actually, if we just copy all of event target, actually, that'll do. That'll do, and then we can just replace event target here. There we go, and then we can use this to actually test it out. Here we go. Wakey, Lakea. Let's see how you do. Oh, I've got... Fuck it, I'm gonna have to change scene and copy it into my thing again. There we go. Right. So put in hey testing. She should be able to come back. Unrecognized shout. Wait, what? What do you mean unrecognized? It's right there. Oh. Hang on. Damn it, I'm gonna have to rebuild it. Keep forgetting, every time I edit this config, I've got to rebuild it so it replaces the config file. Otherwise, it uses the old config file. I'm forever making that mistake. It's such a dumb yet easy mistake to make. Right, here we go. Hey, and then we'll put test in as the arg. Hey, it's working. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Right, so we'll leave that running. We'll leave this development version of Lakea running while we make some other edits. Because at the moment, it's only running this code on command. We need to be able to run it all the other time. So we want to be able to run it on redeems, raids, commands, like every event possible. Hey, Bladed, good to see you, buddy. Hope you're doing well. Having issues installing Java on my PC for some reason. Oh, that sucks. Damn it. Well, I hope you're able to fix it. Java is a pain in the ass, to be fair. Like, I'm a developer, and I find it a pain in the ass. Like, it's a great language to develop in, being cross-platform and everything, and it's great object-oriented, but it's just a pain getting it installed. What's your exact problem with it? Oh, I was gonna stream Bladed. I wasn't gonna like not stream. I just wanted to change it up. Oh boy. So like I was gonna be doing Zelda Ocarina of Time, but I just haven't really got the energy for it. I've just wanted to be able to chill a little bit more. Hence doing a coding stream because I didn't want to not stream. Because like we missed streams last week and that, and I've just wanted to still be able to do something. Hence is doing a bit more of a chill vibe. Is on the other screen. Oh, when I go here. Yeah. That's because I have a different scene set up for when we do the multiple points of view. So, but at the moment it's only me on stream, so we don't need Tim's little image up. How far did you get into OOT the other day? Not that far, Nate. I kind of got stuck. We got into a village at sort of like the base of the mountain. We never figured out how to find our friend Sarah. Got stuck in the windmill. Started looking for chickens, but there's like one chicken I haven't figured out how to get to. Got to a graveyard, and we finished with me opening the gravestone, but I did end up looking at a walkthrough. I'll be honest, I had to look at a walkthrough to figure out what the hell I was meant to be doing. After that, I just got too tired. I've got pretty low energy at the moment in general, just because I have a lot going on. Hence, things being a little bit slower. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Fuck! I accidentally deleted a load of code. It says something using Java is already running after a PC restart. Then that most likely means that something when you restart your PC is booting up with Windows. So if you go into your task manager Bladed and look at your startup tab, see what processes you have running on startup. I'd be willing to bet you've got like a Java update or something like that, because I've been caught out with that. It's a pain in the ass. And yes, I use that phrase to describe a lot of things, but that's because a lot of things are a pain in the ass. Mouthful of tea. Right, so anyway, we need to implement this in all these other events now. All these other events. And let me just look at event arguments. This should work for any event type, right? We're getting an event, yeah. Yeah, and we're calling args, return a dictionary. Yep. Place it. Yep. Awesome. Right, okay, so new command, that is working. New redeem. So that'll be new channel redeem. So here we go, I want to make a new event item like before. This equals pass args, because this is the object that holds our functionality in here. And we want to call the function get event args, and it is going to need our stored event, which is going to be in the redeems dictionary, and we get back the right event, getting the ID. Hang on. Eve.args.we. Oh, bloody. The structure of the rewards, the channel rewards in the API is a pain in the ass. Reward redeemed dot redemption dot reward dot. Like, why does it need to go so deep? Why does it go so many layers deep? It does. not seem necessary. I'm sure there's reasons in the background for it, but bleh. Right, and then we want to throw in the event that's triggered it. Oh shit, I forgot to actually give it a name. Oops. Item, there we go. The fact I'm struggling with simple installing out here code an amazing display of intellect. As much as I appreciate that, buddy, I would not worry about it. Don't forget that this is literally my day job. This is what I do for a living to get paid, so I think it's a little bit unfair on yourself to make that comparison. Oh man. Let's see. So now we want to pass into this our new item. At the end of the day, wait, no, I don't want to pass that into the thing. I just want to pass it to function. There we go. At the end of the day, computers are a pain in the ass and they're really complicated, and people don't always remember that. Okay, the phrase "complicated's" the wrong word. They think very logically. They are literally logic machines, which can be very simple or very complicated. The problem is that we as humans don't necessarily think that way, because we've already learned context and everything. So we have a lot of past experiences in our lives that have already taught us how to do things and think a certain way, and computers just can't work that way. Which is why some people really struggle with computers. It's not necessarily anything to do with their intelligence, it's just a different thought process. That's literally all it is. So yeah, I really wouldn't worry about it. Fickle beasts? You can say that again. Right, okay, so we can do another test now. So if we go to the redeems, that's all the commands. That's the timers. I'm ace in the basics of computers, but these random little new things crop up, fluster me, and make me doubt my savviness. Honestly, Bladed, if you take away anything from this stream, imposter syndrome is real. Like, it's something that, like, us developers and engineers face all the bloody time. And something you've got to remember is computers move incredibly quickly, like stupidly quickly. They are the fastest moving things humans have in terms of how quickly they change. We can, like, as developers, engineers, we can wake up one morning and literally the entire landscape has changed. And while it might not be quite to the same extent for the end users, there's still constantly program updates, there's security updates, your PCs and hardware has changed. So I honestly wouldn't worry. It's an absolute nightmare to try and keep up with these things. Absolute fucking nightmare. Right, let's find a redeem that's going to post something to chat. Oh, the art redeem does the callback, doesn't it? Pardon me? Oh, hang on, wait, no, the callbacks aren't going to have those arguments. That's something I should... Oh, actually, they might do. I want to test something. I don't know if Lakea is going to be able to do this. Oh, I didn't need to restart it yet. Oops. Oh, well. But yeah, I want to test something that she may or may not be able to do. Finish me cuppa. Nightmare tea. Yeah, like, I know I'm using a lot of the same words over and over here. I apologise. I'm just not really in it. But yeah, no, they really are. No worries, Nate. You're welcome to stay a little bit longer. Just please be a little bit wary mentioning that you're specifically streaming today. I don't mind you posting when you start streaming in the promos. Just maybe be a little bit careful mentioning it in the chat, please. But I do hope you have a good time. That wasn't a jab at you, it was a silly Eric Andre reference. Oh, fair. I didn't think it was a jab at me, Bladed. I've just kind of, my mind moved from one thing to another, and I kind of started rambling. So don't worry about it. It'll be a one-off. No worries, Nate. Honest mistake. These things happen. But I hope you have a good time. Let's see. So what was it I wanted to do? Yes. I don't know if this is going to work, but this is using previous arguments. So if we redeemed... Oh, I'm not going to know which one of these it does, am I? Okay, we'll put it in all of them. We'll put it in all of them. We'll just insert... we'll use display name again because that's one that should be in everything. I don't know if this is going to work. In theory, this will work, but I haven't specifically thought about this, so only one way to find out. Only one way to find out. You fixed it, Task Manager? Task Manager is your friend, honestly. If I had a pound every time I had Task Manager open while I was doing development work Bladed, I would not need a mortgage to buy a house. Let's put it that way. I had no clue Java was even running on my PC on startup. Honestly, Bladed, if you look at it, you'll probably find you'll have a lot of things running on startup that you weren't aware of. Oftentimes applications and stuff will have updaters and stuff like that. So like I said, it was probably your Java updater that was running in the background. Discord runs in Water, usually set up to run on Windows Startup. Steam might do it, Teams or whatever. A lot of applications do it, and it actually means that your computer takes longer to boot up as well, because it's got more things to load on boot up. I'm not saying that you should get rid of all of them, but it is worth occasionally just going through your startup and just disabling the things that you don't want to run, because you don't always need all of them. Let's see, right, disable that. Right, let's rebuild it. We'll run it and we'll see what happens when we run the redeem. I was only installing Java again since I couldn't find it on my PC already. I wanted to update it. Yeah, like I said, Java's a pain. Java's a real pain in the ass. Again, I work in development. I've written stuff in Java and stuff like that, and I struggle with it. It's a ball ache. It's a beautiful language that you can do a lot with, and the fact that it's cross-platform is really a good it's a massive positive for it, but it doesn't change the fact that it's a pain in the ass to work with sometimes. Hey Adam, hope you're doing well. Disabled, all that stuff. Yeah, my PC still takes ages to fully boot. Yeah, depend on the PC you've got. There's not necessarily always something you can do about it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, but it's always worth just going through and having a look anyway, just in case. Right, so let's see, if we do this now, it should... Fuck! Well, that's not worked. As we can see, it's still putting display name in the message instead of actually... well. I've noticed over time slows right down no matter what I do. That's Windows, Adam. If you're running older hardware, it definitely shows itself more there. But Windows as an operating system slows down over time. If you want full performance, you're actually better off reinstalling Windows every couple of years, which is a ball ache, but there we go. Double post. Yeah, the problem being is, Bladed, this is why I'm trying to work on Lakea, because we actually have two versions of her at the moment. So our woodland scene has a sort of pseudo Lakea that was the prototype. And then this that we're working on right now is going to be the full version of Lakea. But at the moment, when they're both running, they're both listening for the same events, and some events will appear twice. So our woodland scene displays the pictures in the app itself, whereas our main Lakea instance actually activates hidden sources in OBS. So, good way to ensure they're responsive at least. Yeah, that's true. In the end, I will be removing them from our woodland scene because we don't need them in there. They were just in there as the prototype. but it's like, it's taking the time to do it. It's going to need a little bit longer before I do. So, you will occasionally see double postings. It's the same with the commands in that at the moment, Bladed, but we'll get there. My PC's got to be at least 9 years old. Yeah, I think I remember you saying, Adam. It's done well, to be fair. If you've had it 9 years, it's done well for itself. Money's the main reason I haven't got a new one yet. They are expensive. Like, you can get a surprisingly good build for not that much nowadays, but at the end of the day, you're still looking at like hundreds of pounds even for a budget build. It's not something that you can like just pop out on a weekend and decide to buy a new one. At least not for most people anyway. So, hang on, what was I doing? Yeah, I don't think I actually paid attention. What happened when we did this? Right, okay, so it's not actually replacing display name. Did I actually restart Lakea? Hang on, let's just double check. I might not have actually restarted it. Oh wait, no, I must have, because otherwise it wouldn't be doing that. Oh, I've done that. I didn't actually. Now I've got to manually disable that source. Fuck. Ooh, that's not the right one. I want start scene. No, not start scene. Damn it, Materies, you'll get to the right source in the end, the right scene in the end. Looking at over £1,000 to get one with a dedicated GPU. Those are cheaper, it might look good, but lack a dedicated GPU. Are you looking at laptops, Adam? Or are you looking at desktops? Hey, wow. I hope you don't mind me shortening that to wow. Thank you so much for the follow. Hope you're enjoying the streams. Hope you're having a wonderful chill evening. PC in general, but looking to get a desktop. Yeah, desktops you'll generally get a better one for cheaper. Just because like it's easier with that kind of thing. If you're comfortable with it, if you build your own PC, you can get more for less. But I can understand if you're not a fan of that. And pre-builds will generally charge you more, but it comes down to what you're comfortable with working with, and if you've got the time, to be fair. So, wow, is very nice. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that. Welcome into chat, though. Hope you're doing well. Hey, Materies, do you have fluffy paws? I have somewhat fluffy paws, although some of the fluff gets worn away a little bit. Working with swords and bows and doing survival stuff tends to pluck away at the fur a little bit, but they're not bad. Thank you very much. Haven't looked recently since it's become less urgent. Yeah, that's fair. If you're not using it as much, it's less of a thing. Like, I've not changed the inside of mine for a while. I upgraded the GPU tail end of last year, but I only did that because I needed the extra GPU power for the streams. Like, there's upgrades I'd like to do to it now to make it better, but it's not a huge priority because it can do what it needs to do. So, I'm not in any rush either. I hope you're able to get what you need soon. Anyway, it's Lakea's not doing what she should be doing. So, what is happening when we make this redeem? So, let's run her again. Let's run this art redeem. And we're still going to get a message in chat. Oh well, free advertising for the artists. I'm not going to complain. They definitely deserve it. Right, so let's step into this. So, if redeemed, yeah. So it's stepping in as it should do. Well, we know it's stepping in because you post the message in that. So, stored items, yeah. Okay, I can skip over that because I know it's got... Wait. Come on. Why are you not... Interesting. This might be why it's not replacing it. And return stored item. That's why it's not working. For some reason, it's not picking up the fact that we have... Okay, well, we're going to have to rerun that. You know what? Okay, can I just time you out temporarily? Like, yes, I want to know if I can time out all my own mods. I want to time out my own bot. Is that something I can do? Is that something I can do? Let's see. No, I don't want block. I don't want report. I just want like time you out temporarily. No. Hey. Oh, timeout 10 minutes. Right, so now I wonder if I fucked her over a little bit, if she now cannot post. Oh well, one way to find out. Oh, wow, okay, that's actually deleted. Ah, okay. I'm not convinced I haven't now fucked that up, because that's now deleted all her messages from chat, which wasn't on the plan. Okay, well, we'll find out what happens. Hopefully she'll regain ability to post soon. If she never regains her ability to post, then I'm going to seriously regret that. I wish I could do something like this for a living. Look around, Adam. There may be places around that are taking software development. If you are looking at getting into it for a career, I think I was saying the other day when someone was asking about it, a lot of self-learning is good. Making your own projects, learning stacks and stuff like that, and see what jobs are out there. There's usually software jobs around, but you just have to look. Some are better than others, but it's really just worth looking. Yeah, I know, it's amazing, isn't it, Blade? I can time out my own bots. Timeouts and bans auto-delete all messages in chat. Yeah, well, I knew bans did. I just wasn't expecting the timeout to delete all the messages. Interesting. I doubt there's much software development jobs in this neck of the woods. Maybe, maybe not. I didn't think there was going to be any where I am, Adam, and yeah, I found one. Plus, after COVID and that, a lot of them are now actually offering remote work. Not all of them, but there are companies offering remote work. So, like, I know of some devs who like live at the north end of the country, while the company they work for is actually the south end of the country. It's not promising that there'll be a place, but it's a chance. Right, okay, I restarted it, didn't I? Yeah, there we go. Let's rerun this out, redeem. That's not what I wanted. Where's my chat gone? Where's my chat gone? Ah! Seriously, where is my chat? Did I close my Twitch chat? Are you serious? Oh wait, no. It's right here. Oh wait, no, this is on Estalary Scolia, because that's not got infinite points. Fuck! I need my infinite points so I can test this sheet. Okay, well, give me a sec. Hang on. Oops, I didn't want to close that. No, that's not what I wanted to do either. What? Why? Why? Twitch. Twitch. Yeah, fuck it. Right, hang on. Switch to non-mob. Pop out chat. Give me fecking chat, you pain in the ass. There we go. There we go. We got there in the end. Let's see. So, right, we got to trigger that, and we're not getting messages in chat. Awesome. At least I think that's awesome for the next few minutes. Let's see. So let's step into this. So let's. Eve should have args. Let's see, args. Oh wait, no, that's not the one. We want stored item. So if we go in args here. Oh wait, no. Oh, that's why. Because it's not here. It's in the callback. So we want to continue. Oh, I know why it's not working. I know why it's not working. Did I turn that off before it could disable the image? Damn it, Materies. There we go. There we go. Right, okay. So the reason it's not working is because while this is a redeem event, the bit that posts the text to chat is actually in Lakea's callbacks. So I want to be... I need it in here. No, hang on. Is it in there? No, it's not in there actually. I want to be, damn it, go away. Close that, don't need that for now. Where's my Lakea functions? Give me my Lakea functions. Here we go. Because it's a callback. No, that's the constructor. They're the timers. There we go. So this is what we want. So when it's getting previous arguments, oh, this is a bit of a pain. So I'm going to need this twice. Have I already given it? Yeah, it's already got pass args. So call back. Hang on. Let's close this constructor because that's getting in the way a little bit. Yeah, hang on. Where's that? Oh, it's got to make a new one anyway. Yeah. And then item equals pass args, which is going to want what does it want? Oh yes, it wants item, and it wants Eve. There we go. Oh, hang on. No, that's acting like a bloody constructor. Get event args. Get event args, you silly wolf. And then here as well, event item equals callbacks eve.callback.id. I'm off. Have a great stream, buddy. No worries, Nate. Take care of yourselves and have a wonderful time. Hope you have a good time, buddy. Let's see. What am I doing? Event item equals item. Now we're going to want to. Yeah, okay. So now we want item to equal pass args dot that, and then we want to do, no, we don't want Eve yet, we want to pass item itself in, and then the event. There we go. Take care, buddy. Stay safe. Have a good time, and thank you for dropping by. So if we do that now if we do the art redeem, she should work. She should work. Right, let's see. Oh, wait, no. Seth, sorry, that's not gonna work at the moment. Give me a sec. You will get your boop redeem. You will get your boop redeem. You will get your boop redeem. He says, panically trying to sort things out. Boop. Boop now. Boop to the snoot. Boop to the snoot. How you doing, Seth? Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great Tuesday evening. Let's see, what was I doing? Yes, we were going to test if the thing was working. Is the thing working? Come on, thing, work. Fuck. Shitting bollocks in heck. Wait, what do you mean event? Oh, did it throw an error? Where's my try catch? Why did you not catch that? I have an exception capture here. Oh, I'm going to have to put a null reference exception capture, aren't I? Oh, you little shit. Oh, just wanted to drop in before Rise. No worries. Thank you for dropping by. It's great to see you, Seth. You got many people join for Rise. I hope you have a great gaming session. Let's see. It's nice to see you enjoying that game with buddies. Typed pet. Easily done, Bladed. Easily done. Little knackered, I won't lie. I was going to be doing Zelda Ocarina of Time, but I'm just a little low on energy today. Oh, cool. That's actually broke Lakea, so she won't even turn the art off now. And it didn't actually post the credit either. Oops. She does that normally. It's because we're developing shit at the moment. Yeah, I've just got a lot going on. House buys being a little rough. I'm a little lower energy, which is why we're doing a bit more of a chill vibe today. Plus, last time I did a coding stream, people seemed to enjoy it, and people were able to put forward some good ideas for Lakea. So, we're slowly getting there. We're doing well, thanks. We're doing well. Right, okay, so for starters, I don't know why this isn't capturing that, so we'll put in another capture and we'll specify null exception. Not argument null exception. Is that argument null exception? I did not think it was. Oh, that's not it. No reference exception, that's what we want. What? Previous... What? Oh, fuck, it wants it first. Even though that captures and fucking capturing it. Fucking C-sharp. I'm bitching about minor things now. Right, okay, so that will capture that now. No, it will still specify it in the logs. Right, let's see. So, where do we want to be? We want to be in here. So let's see what the fuck is going on when we run now, because something means our callback isn't working like it should. So to explain the structure a little bit, when an event fires, an event has one input and it has one output. But that means because it's got one output, it can only do one thing, say activate a source in OBS or post a message to Twitch. And sometimes we want it to do multiple things. So each event can have a callback. And what a callback does is a callback triggers another event. So we can have, say, a redeem that triggers an event that will activate the image source, so the art will show in OBS on our stream. But then that event will have a callback to a second event, and that second event is what writes the Twitch message to the chat that goes with the art piece. So that's what the callbacks are. They allow us to chain events together, and that right now is what's not bloody well working. Oh shit, fuckity crap. Let's see, so callback. Oh, that's our new art. We only got that from Gratactic the other day. I gotta say, it's a beautiful piece. I do love that one. Right, so let's step into this. So use previous arguments. Yes, so you should be using previous arguments. So args should now be populated. That should have the message. So yeah, there we go. And there's our display name. So that's our template. That should be replaced. Oh, I've just realized you can't. Oh, can you see it? You can just see it over the art. But this is what's meant to be getting replaced with my name. I'm just going to disable that art so you can actually see what's going on. So that's what we want to get replaced. So step over that. Are you going to step over that? There we go. So item should now have that arg, yes. Okay, and now if we step into that. So check event for args, yes, that's good. So you're getting the arg, yes, return args, yeah, I'm stepping to like the getters now. Didn't really need to do that. So now you should detect that it has that in there. There we go, return true, that's what we wanted. So that's what gets it to running to here. So that all that function is doing is it's checking that our message has the template in there by looking for specific characters. And if it finds those specific characters, then it will move on to actually replacing the template with the relevant argument. So do that. Yeah, it's fine with that. It's fine with that. Adjusted strings. Yeah, okay. That's fine. So for each arg in current args, we've only got one string here. So, or one argument. So this one has that, yeah. So replace template. That's good. So here we have trigger args, which has all our triggering events. Let's see, so source name. So source, that's the R piece that it's actually turned on. Source number, duration, relevant args, okay, and then value should be the message that goes with it. So there's our display name. That's what should be getting replaced by this function. So here we're getting the location of this squiggly bracket in this message, so we can see it's here. So we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 all across to get to that location. So we can see it's at the 33rd location. Do it again for the other squiggly bracket, we get 45. So this means we know the location of our template, and we can then use that to get our template. So that's what we're doing. We're getting the length of our template here. So yep, 12 characters. that gets our template itself. Yep, here we go. We can see our display name here. Oh, wait. Is that why we're not getting it? Trigger args. Do we not have our display name in there? That's why it's not returning anything. Display name isn't a thing in this. Oh, okay. So that's our problem. Our dictionary does not have the argument name that we want. Which means when we're getting... Oh, we've already moved out of this, so I can't see it, can I? Damn it! Okay, but that means when we're getting our previous arguments, we're overwriting the arguments that were in there. It should be adding to them, not overwriting them, and that's why we're getting errors. That's why she's kicking up a fuss. Okay, that's gonna be a bit of a ball ache. That's gonna be a bit of a ball ache. Ah, man, it's getting bloody warm in here as well. That's not helping. Right, okay, so we're gonna need to rerun this again so we can step into get callback arguments. Hang on, let's just move into that. Let's close Twitch to run because we know that one works. That's fine. We'll close config for now. We don't need that. Right, so we're defining a new dictionary. That's the problem. We're bringing a new dictionary and ignoring our current arguments. We want to add our current arguments, not replace them. So here, instead of passing, oh, hang on. So that's making a new dictionary. And then here we go. This is where we put it in. So it's in event item constructor. Aha! That's what we're doing, unfortunately. We're assigning it instead of adding to it. So what we're going to want to do is before we make our new item, we're going to want to take our new events. We're going to want to do a dictionary string. Oh, damn. Current args. Oops. Equals. What is it? We want we want this. Dot args. So what's happening is when we do the callbacks, we want to bring over any information about the previous event to the new event, so that if we want to send a specific message, like with the art, each art piece has a specific message to go with it, but that means we need to know which art piece has been shown on stream, so we need to have the relevant arguments for that. Unfortunately, at the moment, it's overriding the new argument for the new event when we need to have both arguments. So all we're doing here is we're going to add the two sets of information together instead of deleting one of them. So we can do current args equals that, and then for each var arg in args, we want to do current args dot add arg dot key arg dot value. There we go. And then for event item, we want to add in current args. Okay, so like I said, this just means we're bringing the two sets of data together, because at the moment we're basically deleting a load of information, so our data set's incomplete. And then when she comes to access information she doesn't have, she kind of freaks out because she's like, I don't know what to do. You've told me to do something and given me the wrong tools for it. So in theory, that should now get to run. Bloody hell, the callbacks are a pain. Implementing them at the get-go was a fecking nightmare. What am I doing? Not that one. I want my chat. So now if we do that, H. Where's my name in that? Oh. I was looking at OBS on my left, and then I looked at my main monitor, and I saw we had an exception. Shit. Fucking typical. Now I've got to manually hide this art again. Oops. There we go. There we go. Right, okay. So what's happening here? Oh, why is it still throwing errors? Also, for starters, I don't understand why this isn't capturing that. Why is my caption not capturing this? Null reference exception. We're capturing null reference exceptions. I don't understand why. Hang on. Is this going to tell me any more? New callback. Yeah, I know it's new prospect. No, it's not giving me anything extra. It's not giving me anything extra. That's a pain. I don't understand why. This piece of code here is meant to say that when something goes wrong, or specifically when this happens, when this event happens and shit hits the fan, that 4 lines of code is meant to say, don't shit the bed, do this instead. But no, Lakea is deciding she's still going to shit the bed because she's a pain in the ass. Okay, still. That's something for me to figure out later. It's not the problem itself, it's a symptom of the problem. So, for some reason, item is still null. Why is item still null? We should have fixed that issue. So, let's put in another breakpoint. We will get there in the end with this one. This one is being a real pain to try and figure out. Oh well, at least we're getting to advertise a lot of artists' work. The only real problem is it's not posting the messages because the callbacks are failing. Should be posting messages with these. Let's see. So, writing. Yeah, okay, we're writing that line. Use previous arguments. Yep, because that's what we want you to do. So, event. Yeah. Args. It's full of information, full of juicy information. Yep, okay. Get callback arguments. Yep. So that should now have that one message. Yep. Current args. Yep. So if I step over that, that should have. That has 8. I'm getting the wrong one. Yep. You derped it. You derped it, Materies. That's what you're doing. You feckin' derped it. Wait, no, hang on. I'm getting those. What? Hang on. I need to run that again, because I say I derped it, but I think I'm derping myself. Come on, Lakea, give me a hand here, lass. Help me out. I'm trying to make your life easier. Right, okay, so let's step into that. Right. So Eve, you've got these args. Okay. So Eve has those args. Okay, that's the event that's called this one. We want to bring in. Oh, Lakea can post messages again. I've only just noticed that. So hang on. Let's step over these. So args has our message that we want. Display name. Current args. Oh, wait a minute. We're still not getting display name. Why are we still not getting display name? Why are we still not getting display name? Why are we not? Why are we still not getting display name? Where's all our arguments gone? I've just realised we've only got... I'm suddenly very confused over what's happening here. I might have to get it going for the other events and then come back to the callbacks. Naturally, it would be the callbacks giving me issues, wouldn't it? It would be the fecking callbacks. Oh, well. Okay, no. We'll keep at it for a moment and we can come back to it. Let's see. So, when this is going back, this one, this function should be returning more than this argument. It's only returning that. Okay. Why has it only got that? I think I know why it's only got that. Hang on. Where's my outputs? Alright, here we go. Here we go. Right. Okay. So this is why when I'm setting up my arguments to produce the callback, I'm not adding my new things. Bagger. Bagger. Bagger, 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 bagger. That might be a bigger pain in the ass to add than what I thought it was going to be. Trying to think best way of approaching this. Oh, joys of a software developer. So this is coming. The specific event that's triggering this is coming from here. And that's saying the sources. So we also want to bring in. Why are we not bringing in all the args from that? Okay. Let's turn off that sodding piece of art for the moment. Go away, looping. You're not needed right now. You're a pain in the backside anyway. Right. Now let's go here. And then run, and then trigger the event. At least this won't turn on the piece of art, so we don't have to worry about that. There we go. Right. Now if we go in... new args. Alright, no, don't need that. We got args here. That's only got those. Why has that only got those? And how have you turned that on? Oh, I've gone past it. Okay. Because that's the bit that turns it on. Okay. Yes, hello looping. I know you're back. You've never been very good at getting lost when told to, have you? Right. Okay. So it doesn't have the args we need. Why does that not have the args we need? I mean, it wouldn't be adding them either if we did, but it doesn't have... Ah! Why? Why? Hang on. So let's go into... No, that's not what I want to be in. I'll be back in here. Okay, I think we're going to have to go through this from the start. Well, not the start, but from nearer the start. From the first event that's going to turn on the OBS source, make sure we've got those arguments and see when they're getting dropped. Because they're getting dropped long before we get to that callback event. But I think we'll take a short break so I can run to the toilet. And it gives everyone a chance to grab a drink or whatever and go relieve themselves. And then we'll come back and we'll step through this, I think. Because that's our issue. We don't have the information we need. We're losing it too early on. Oh, thank you very kindly for that, Bladed. I will definitely take you up on that. I will activate that myself right now because Lakea is not currently running. Thank you very kindly. But first, let's go for a quick break. What was my mute button? Ah, it was that one. We are back. Okay, here we go. Minimize that and check that off. Thank you very much for the cuppa bladed. It is appreciated. Right, Okay, so let's get that out of the way. So yeah, we're gonna have to step through this and find out exactly what's going on, because we have a lot of things happening in one go, so we need to figure out when and where we're losing various bits of information. So do that. We step to here. Oh, go away, Lakea. Oh, that version anyway, because our woodland still like displays the. Man, I need to turn that off at some point. I could probably do it now actually, because I can just put the OBS sources over the top. Yeah, I'll have to do that later on to stop this double posting happening. Right, let's see. So here in Eve, we have args. Oh wait, no, that's the event itself, so that's fine. So when we get to the so now item is our stored event. Yeah, here we go. So that's what happened. Display random art. That's the name of our event. We want to enable random OBS sources. Yeah. Duration 30 seconds. We have 8 arguments. Okay. There. Yep. That's wait. No. Yeah. No. That is fine. Because there are 8 arguments for that. Because all this one's doing is enabling our OBS sources. So here we go. This is why our stack ends up so big, because we're calling that many functions. In hindsight, I should have done the structure for this slightly differently, but hey ho. Get arg, that's fine. Add configuration through callback, yeah. Okay, here we go. So args, we have that information. Wait. No, hang on. I think we might still be missing information, are we? Right. Hang on. Get event args. So that replaces this here, but only if it has. Okay. What? Where's my? I've suddenly confused myself very much so. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it for these callbacks. I'm going to have to come back to them, because that's clearly going to be a bigger fish to fry than what I'm going to do right now. So, yep, there we go. Let's sort out let's go back to Twitch. We'll sort out some of the others for now. So redeem, do we have another redeem event that we can test this on? I'm just going to move this over while I reopen one file, because I do not want to give away my auth key. That would be awful. Right. Let's go to the redeems and find a better redeem for this. Something posts to chat. I don't think any of these do post message to chat, so we might have to just edit one temporarily. There we go. The viewer attack ones, that won't change anything. So if we target Twitch and we say Twitch send chat message, I think that's what it was. Find out if it fails to pass it. So now in here, if we do, no, we want arg, then we want call. What the hell was that, materials? We want our key and we want our value. There we go. So key is our message, value. We're testing shiz display name. Okay. There we go. So with that in there now, so if we go back to wait, where just oh yeah, bastard. There we go. Right, so this is for the redeem. So back here, we're already doing that. Let's disable that. We've not got anything in outputs, have we? Then outputs, yes we do. Get rid of that for now. We don't want to be in there. We'll come back for that. We'll come back for that. So now if we rebuild Lakea. Right, there we go. Oh, needed a moment there, didn't you? Right, let her connect. Grab our chat. Which one did we do? I think it was this one, wasn't it? Whoop! There we go. That's working. That one is working now. Okay. So we'll just put that back to null, so that we're not. We'll leave it in. That'll be a bit of a laugh if anyone redeems and they've just got Lakea spouting that at them. Okay, right. Let's see. So that is our Twitch redeem. So we can close that up. Commands are done. We've got commands. We've got redeems. Raids. Okay, raids are a bit of a ball ache because we can't test these very easily. So I don't even fully know that Twitch raids are working. In theory they are, but like I won't know for certain until someone actually comes in with a raid while I have Lakea running. So this one's a little more up in the air, but we can at least get the code in place. Right, let's see. Let's reopen command so we can remind ourselves what it is we're doing exactly. But what we want is we want event item equals. We want to get raids ID because we've got to do this a few times because raids is a bit of a funny one. Why does it not like that? Oh, we've got event args. Why has it done event args? Item. There we go. That's not brought in new. No, it hasn't brought in new namespace. It's good. Good. Yeah, with raids, it's a bit of a funny one because we have multiple things that could happen because of how I've set it up. Because I wanted to make it so we can have like different events for different streamers raiding us. But then if we don't have any events set up, we can have like a default raid event. Just because I thought that would be a nice touch. Which is why we've got like a lot of if-else's here, because we've also got like this event here, which is like, well, we've got a raid coming in, but you haven't got a default Twitch raid set up, and it's not someone that you've told me to recognize, so what the fuck do you want me to do? And then this is just like, oh, you don't want to do anything where you get raided? Okay, that's cool. We'll ignore it then, or Lakea ignores it. She's a little bitch sometimes. Anyway, so yeah, we get that. And then what is it? Wait, no, hang on. Why is the command not doing it? Oh yes, it is the. Wait, if item isn't null. Ooh, I forgot to add that back in this one, didn't I? If item isn't null, there we go. That's kind of important. Otherwise, we end up with the event we had earlier. Which, you know what, actually, because I'm not convinced there's not more afoot that one. I'm going to undo my changes there, and I'll come back to that. I might have to raise a separate issue for it. Anyway, so, event item, if item isn't null, because if item's null, then it means an error has been thrown. So, item equals pass args, dot get event args, and we want item. In fact, yeah, we want item and we want Eve. There we go. And then if item is not null, we want to process the event. But we don't want to process that. We want to process item. There we go. And we want to do this for each of these, so we can just kind of change it here. No, we'll rewrite it. We'll rewrite it just to be on the safe side. So event item equals raids. Oh, fucking! What the hell are you? Materies, learn how to use a fucking keyboard. Now you're changing scenes as well, you utter prat. Ah, useless getting bugger. You've not had enough tea today, have you? You haven't even named your feckin' variable. Damn it. Right, okay, let's grab this. Boom. So this one is saying, okay, we've had a raid come in, but we haven't got a specific raid event. Use the default raid event. So now item equals pass args dot get event args, and we want to pass it item, we want to pass it Eve, and then if item is not null, we want to process the event item, which means we want to remove this and replace that with item. There we go. There we go. And we want to leave those in because they're basically saying, oh, you haven't set your shit up properly. Can't test this one. Like I said, like it's kind of difficult. I did start looking at some Twitch libraries to like try and test these events, but they're not the easiest, so I'm still reading through those. And unlike the channel redeems or the commands, I can't exactly just go, oh, let's just do a raid to like test this. It's a little bit more difficult, frustrating, but there we go. So we'll restart Lakea in the very small off chance someone happens to come in with a raid, but I'm not holding out my hopes. Like, that would just be too good to be true, to be honest. Oh, right, we can close that up. That's all working. We'll keep command open because we're going to do bits next. We're going to do bits next. Oh, bits is a funky one because it works differently. Because it's based, yeah. Damn, okay, event found, string ID, yeah, okay. So we want to do event item equals bits order I. Why, you know, like, oh, because it's not bits order, you stupid bugger. It's bits order ID, you prat. There we go. So that gets that, and then we want to say item equals pass args. This would probably be easier if I did it differently, but I sod it. We can move it all out later on. Oh wait, no, it's got to stay in there because it's a for loop. Yeah, bleh. Yeah, I could get it to call out to another function, but I can't be bothered. Let's see, get event args, and we were passing item and Eve. There we go, and then if item is not equal to null, we want you to do processor.process events item. This one we can test actually. Boom. And then we want to do the same down here. So, well, why have we got this differently? Oh, okay, yes. Let's see. So we want to do event item equals bits ID, and we want item to equal pass args dot get event args, and we're passing in item and E. There we go, and then if item is not equal to null, we want to process item. Okay, there we go. Let's see. So this one we can test. If we rebuild, I don't want to rebuild yet. I want to configure our bit events. Reconfigure. No, that's not it. A little bit higher. Channel redeems. Here we go. Channel bits. So value 1, and instead of doing that, send to Twitch. Send a message. So Twitch send chat message, and we want to say message Lane name. Cheered. What did I say? The bit. Well, we're going Twitch bits. 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 Is it bits? I've literally just looked at it, I've forgotten. Yep, bits, and let's actually go a little bit further. They've cheered. Total bits, we'll copy that. Total. Okay, so now if we rebuild that. Oh, bollocks. There we go. I really need to get myself a stream deck as soon as I sort out this house move. Right, so rebuild. Let's run. And this time I'm actually going to want to access this from as Stellary Scolia, my other Twitch account, because I can't really share bits of my own. So if I do this, hey, that's worked beautifully. That's worked beautiful. Why has it got a callback? Oh, I know why it has a callback. Give me that. I know why it has a callback. I'm gonna have to just check it's not. Yeah, there we go. It has. And then in overlays, we can turn that one off now. There we go. So hang on, let's just rerun that without those minor little bugger ups. Get this one. Shield 1 bit. There we go. It's got our name. Yep, Shield 1. Yep, Shield 37 tour. Awesome. It's not capitalized at that time for some reason. Oh wait, it didn't capitalize it the other time. I wonder why it's not capitalizing it. That's a small issue now. I'll raise that as a separate issue later on, but it's honestly a minor, very minor thing. So I'm not too worried about that one. But yeah, that is working very nicely. Very nicely. I'll just reset this for now. In fact, actually, we could set up a callback event. Sorry, yeah, let's set up a callback event with this. So let's remember number 60 so that we can reset that. Callback event. Oh wait, we've already set it down here anyway, so do that because it's already got a callback event for a certain thing. So reset that to what it was. Source, that wants to be OBS. Enable source. OBS, yep. I don't know why you're so far out of whack. There we go. So now if we come back down here, we can make a new event. Let's just post those out. We'll want them in a minute. Okay, so right bits total to chat for the name. It's a callback. We'll give it ID 3. Yeah, ID 3. Target is Twitch, and we want to do Twitch send chat message, and our arg wants to be this. So now if we I want to call back. I've forgotten how I structure my callback. Let's go back to line 60 so that we can figure out how we structured our callback. Here we go. So these are going to want our callbacks. They want to be 3. Yep, 3, and then Same here. Callback 3, not callback 1. You'll end up in an infinite loop. So last time we're going to test this one, but I just want to make sure all of this is going to run through nicely. I mean, this is a development config, so I don't know why I'm going through the effort of setting it up. I think it's more for personal satisfaction. Let's just stop the music for a second so we can like listen and see if this runs as it should. So, one bit. Let's see what happens. Awesome! I am so happy with that. Holy shit. Oh man, I'm actually over the moon with that. Oh man, I might have to disable the ring that our Twitch alert box gives, but the rest of it. Oh man, we have the fire pillar, we have the audio for the fire pillar, like it puts the chat that you've cheered and stuff like that. Lakea's coming along nicely. Like, okay, we already had like stream elements and stuff doing that, but the whole point of this is that we're getting rid of stream elements. We're getting rid of trigger fire. I don't want to have to rely on these services. Oh man, that is beautiful. Okay, so we'll leave her running. So bits now do it. Let's see. So bits are doing it. Right, follow needs to do it. Because we will be able to say like hi to new followers, which would be very nice. At the moment she can say hi, but she's just like, hi random person. It'll be nice if we can actually put their actual name in. So here we want to do same as what we've been doing. Event item equals follows what's the thing? Args.follow. Okay, yeah, sure. That's what we're going with. What is it? Oh yeah, forgot your object, you daft sod. There we go. There we go. And now item equals pass args. Get event args, and we want to pass in item. We want the Eve, and then here we still want you to process an event, but we don't want to get it straight from dictionary. We want you to use our new item. There we go. Right, so that should have that working. So now where's our follow event? That might be up near the top, which I'm a little bit nervous about scrolling up too high here. Channel bit. Follows and here we go. That's what we want. So okay, so we can test this very easily. A display name. There we go. Stop running. Rebuild. Run again. And now if I'm not gonna be able to do this from that. I'm gonna have to reopen Twitch for a moment, aren't I? In my old account. And then unfollow and refollow. This is really gonna screw up my follower account for the month. Oh, shut that off quickly. Right, okay. So if we unfollow, yeah. Now if we refollow. Hey! Awesome, it worked. It worked. It worked. Okay, so that's follows. We're getting pretty close time to go back to the callbacks. Ah, the callbacks. In fact, we might even be back at the callbacks. Sort bits order, yeah, that's all constructed for that. They're the callbacks. Timer start, I don't think it's here, isn't it? Yeah, we are going to have to. Okay, that's where we actually process. Oh, fucking hell. I'm not happy about this timer code. At some point, I might raise a ticket myself to like reevaluate this timer code. Really not happy about it. Let's see. Okay. So we're still going to want to do the same as what we have been doing though. So Okay, I want to make a new event item. I should probably make a function for this. In each of these. That would make more sense. Okay, I'll do that after. We'll get it all working for all of them, and I'll come back and rewrite a function for it. So, event item equals, it's the timers dictionary, isn't it? No, that's not what we wanted. That's not what I asked for. Yep, there we go. And then we want item to equal, pass args dot get event args, and we want to pass in item, and we want to pass in Eve. Yeah, Eve. Eve? Do we? Oh, hang on. I don't think we need to do this for the timers. They're not going to have anything to... No, we don't need to do this for timers. The timers are never going to... The whole point of this is to be able to pass in arguments from like the chat and that's just never going to happen here. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So we don't need to do it for the timers. That would be like a waste of implementation, a waste of CPU and memory. Okay. Oh, that means we're back on the callbacks. Fuck! Freaking... I might have to do this one off stream, to be honest, because I think this is going to actually need me to really focus and not the kind of hanging around chilling that we've been doing so far. Which would suck. It would really suck. But I might have to do that. Oh well, I was really hoping we could face this ticket this stream. I was hoping I could like get this done today. You know what, I think I might end the stream here. I know it's only been a couple of hours, but I want to get this done. And it means we'll be that much closer to having like Lakea doing more for us. And it's a bit of a different stream anyway. So... I might, like I said, I might do more coding stuff in future. Some people seem to like it, and it's a nice chill stream, so we might do these occasionally. I'm not going to make a huge habit of them, but occasionally giving people a chance to hang out and see what we're doing is kind of nice. So let's move over to our thanks for watching scene. We can stop the music now. Let's bring a bit more fire into the mix, shall we? Bring a bit more fire into the mix. And then let's see who's streaming. I believe, here we go. Liminal is streaming. So let's give them a raid, shall we? Here we go. Awesome. Start raid. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the stream. It has been a little bit different, but it's different from the usual. I'll get back into like usual streaming soon enough. Just got a lot going on at the moment. It's just leaving me a little bit knackered, but we'll get there. If you're over on Discord, !Discord, and I should be streaming later on this week. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Take care.
I never feel from my children. Oh. Thank you for the raid. What's up, guys? Hey. Hold on, let me slide over to just chatting for a second. Hi, everybody.